In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thumbmagic. This tool helps you create eye-catching, click-worthy thumbnails in seconds using AI, so you can spend less time designing and more time making great content. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official website at thumbmagic.co. When the homepage loads, look for the Login button, usually in the top corner, and click it. This will take you to the sign-in screen. On the sign-in screen, choose Login with Google. If you've used Thumbmagic before on this device, you may be taken straight into the app without doing anything else. That's normal and simply means your previous session was recognized. If you're prompted, select the Google account you want to use. Make sure you pick the account associated with your content so your projects stay organized in one place. After choosing the account, click Continue to confirm and proceed. If you see any standard Google prompts, review them and continue so you can return to Thumbmagic. Once you're in, you'll land in the thumbnail generator area. Click Create Thumbnail to start a new project. This opens the workspace where you'll provide the source for your thumbnail. Here, decide how you want to bring in your content. If your video is already on YouTube, paste the YouTube link. Thumbmagic can use information from that link to find relevant frames and context, which helps the AI generate options that match your video. If your video isn't on YouTube or you prefer working from your own assets, choose Upload instead. Then add a local image or a frame you've captured from your video. For best results, use a clear, well-lit, high-resolution image. Crisp visuals give the AI more to work with and typically lead to stronger thumbnails. Next, choose your transcript option. A transcript helps the tool understand the topic and tone of your video, which can improve the relevance of the suggestions it generates. If your YouTube link already has captions, the transcript may be detected automatically. Otherwise, select the transcript input that fits your setup and proceed. Even a short, accurate summary can be helpful here, as it guides the system toward the key ideas you want the thumbnail to emphasize. That's the full flow. Go to the site, log in with Google, start a new thumbnail, choose either a YouTube link or an upload, and select your transcript option. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to generate polished, on-brand thumbnails in no time.